Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I'm here to answer one of the most important questions that I keep getting. Does everyone have a twin flame? And the answer to that is yes. Everyone has a twin flame, but not everyone chooses to be in a twin flame relationship, because the twin flame relationship is an intense, divine, spiritual love. When I say that it's intense, I mean that it will trigger you to push you to the limits to reach your soul essence, to reach your true self. So this relationship will be challenging, but this relationship will also be really beneficial or rewarding at the end of the day. And you will also connect deeper with yourself and God and your twin flame. And this relationship, most of the time I keep saying that your twin flame is the other half of your soul, is another half. By that I mean that they share the same soul blueprint as you. By blueprint I mean that they have the same lessons that you need to learn in this lifetime, but when they have to learn it, it will be different from you. For example, if you have dealt with fear of abandonment 3 years ago, your twin flame now might have to deal with it or might have to heal that part of them. So the timing of the lessons will be different, but the lessons will be similar to your twin flame. And not only the lessons are similar, but your core beliefs also will be similar. And when you come in contact with your twin flame, you will be pushed to the limit to heal your inner child, to heal parts of you that no longer serves. And once you have healed that, you will come with pure love and unconditional love, not only for yourself but for your twin flame as well. If you're in a relationship and you get triggered by your partner, and after you get triggered and after you heal it and you don't feel love towards them, they are not your twin flame. Because if you have healed your trigger, you have healed your past, or you have healed everything, once you have healed, you come with pure love for them. Automatically, you don't have, this will not be forced love. This love will come and you will not even have to fake it. It automatically comes, I'm trying to say, once you have healed the trigger. But the mission is over here to heal your soul, to heal the planet, to heal your relationship. And not everybody are like ready for that or choose that. They rather be with their soulmate, which is fine, which is absolutely fine, no judgment. But the people who are in a twin flame relationship and choose their twin flame have to choose themselves first. Work on yourself, work on your inner shadows, and then automatically you will come in union with yourself. And after you come in union with yourself, you will come in union with your partner. If anyone has more questions about twin flame, make sure you're following my page, because I'll be putting more videos about twin flames and what exactly happens in a twin flame relationship.